my channel, and today I am going to teach you the remaining two subject marking particles, which are un and nun. While in my last class you may have learned about e and ka. If you haven't already, just check out the previous video and you will know what are these subject particle markers are used for. So here are the details about un and nun particles. Before telling about them, I would like to remind you that E and Ka particles and all these particles test your mind's ability to whether you are going to use this with the correct subject or location or nouns. Whatever you are going to make a structured form of a Korean sentence, you have to decide whether which particle will fit according to the context of the situation. So here is the example. So what exactly are un and nun particles? Like in my last video, I have explained the use of e and ka is determined on the use of haching in the preceding word or letter. So in absence of haching, you are going to use ka particle, and in presence of haching, you are going to use e particle. Similarly, in presence of haching, you are going to use un particle, while in absence of haching, you are going to use nun particle. So here is a simple example to demonstrate what I am talking about. Doctor likes to stay in hospital. 의사가 병원에 있어요. So here, because there is no consonant present in the word 의사 or doctor, I have used ka particle along with it. 의사는 커피를 좋아해요. So here you can see I have used nun particle because I am describing the behavior of 의사 or doctor. So from these formations, you may have got the slight idea that when you are going to describe the behavior or topic about the subject or anything you are talking about, you are going to use un and nun particles. Similarly, in my last video, I have explained that e and ka are used most often in the question sentence sequences, while un and nun are most often used while you are answering the questions. So suppose I am asking 이름이 뭐예요? So when you are going to answer that, you are going to use un and nun particle in your sentence. 저는 밤나예요. 저는 밤나예요. So here you can see I have used with me subject along with nun particle. So this is the most common use of un and nun particles. Here are some other easy examples. So here I am reading some examples for you. 옛날 옛적에 한 남자가 살았어요. 그 남자는 요리사였어요. So here you can see in 옛날 옛적에 한 남자가 있어요. A long time ago, a man lived. So, han namja. Namja has no consonant or no haching present in its preceding word or letter. So, I am using it with ka particle. But when I am introducing a new formation in my sentence, I am using 그 남자는 요리했어요. So here I am describing about his personality, his occupation, or his behavior. So whenever you are going to make a more descriptive type of sentence, you are going to use un and nun particle. So from this long type of sentence example, I have explained to you that what is the real difference among un, nun and e ka particles. So, whenever we are indicating the subject of a sentence, 친구는 내일은 거예요. 친구는 내일은 거예요. 잘 듣고 따라해보세요. So, here you can see I have used with my subject 친구 nun particle because it has it is ending with the vowel. I'm using nun particle, and here I'm describing his action that he will come tomorrow. So I'm using ul particle to describe the action of the chingu. So this is how you're gonna make sentences along with un and nun particle. The un and nun particles also used to indicate the topic of a sentence or to give a sense of contrast or emphasis of a situation. So from this example, you will understand what I'm talking about. 이 책은 재미있어요. 하지만 가격은 좀 비싸요. Here you can see I'm talking about that this book is really interesting. 재미있어요. So I'm describing the context of or emphasis of this book. But the price is a bit expensive. So 하지만 가격은 So here you can see that I am taking my subject particle along with particle to describe that it is really expensive book. So we won't be affording that. So that's how you use and ika particle in your sentences. The other examples are 한국어는 너무 어려워요. Learning Korean is really difficult. So I'm telling about the behavior of learning Korean. So I'm using nun particle because it has no hachim in the sentence 한국어는. So I'm using the nun particle, implementing it with 한국 word. So in conclusion, both type of particles plays an essential or crucial role while you are learning Korean grammar and making sentences in Korean. So you will have to be very consistent about learning both of these particles in a detailed manner and practicing it in your daily life to be more fluent in Korean. 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정 부탁드려요. 다음에 and in my next lesson, I'm going to make you understand about the location or action verb nouns more. 감사합니다.